Hello guys, I want to use this video to introduce you to everything about Binance. Basically everything about Binance, but the video is going to be part 1 and part 2, and this is part 1, so you should expect half of everything about Binance. So let's talk about the platform. So Binance is a trading platform where you can buy different cryptocurrencies against BTC, against USDT, and against some national currencies like Naira and some other countries' currencies. So over here, over here at the top is the news panel. That's where they display their news, their upcoming news, and their current news, the bonuses they are giving to the community, and all that. And this place is price change of Bitcoin, BNB, that's Binance Coin, ETH against USDT over 24 hours. So you can see it, BNB has changed minus 0.22%, Bitcoin has changed plus 0.34%, ETH has changed 0.32%. And here is a BTC 24 hours volume top. It means that for all these coins, the number of Bitcoin that was used to buy and sell them over 24 hours, you can see this coin here, TOMO, has over 3,888,000 Bitcoins traded over 24 hours. It means that people have bought and sold 3,888 Bitcoin over 24 hours on it. You can see Matic 1,556, Atom 1,510, ETH 1,000. It means that coin TOMO has the highest volume of Bitcoin over 24 hours. So that's it. On this panel here, you have your gainers. What does gainers means? It means the coins that have increased in value over 24 hours against Bitcoin. Like this coin Strat has increased 18% in value over 24 hours against Bitcoin. It means that if you had invested $100 in Strat, you are going to have over $19 profit on it. Same as Kava has increased 14%, TNT has increased 13%, Wabi 11%, and STS 11%. So these are coins that have increased in value against Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin trading pair. Like you can see, Strat BTC, Kava BTC, TNT BTC. It means that these are Bitcoin trading pairs. So over here you have your losers. You can see GoChain has lost over 11% in value against Bitcoin in 24 hours. Alt has lost 10%, Ren has lost 7%, VIA has lost 5%, QSC has lost 5.88% elsewhere. So that's it. Your gainers, your losers. Your gainers are the ones that have gained against Bitcoin over 24 hours, and your losers are the coins that have lost value against Bitcoin over 24 hours. So let's move on. So here is your market. You can choose the market you want. For example, if you want a USD market, that's USD pairs, you put it. All market, you put it. But me, I prefer trading in BTC market because my signals I'm going to be giving to you guys is going to be based on BTC markets. So yes, market, you have your favorites. So these coins here are my favorite coin. How do you add your favorite coin? This is how you add your favorite coin. For example, I want to add strats as my favorite coin. I will just click on this star here. I'll click on that star here, and it will be added to my favorite coin, and it will show up over here as one of my favorite coin. These favorite coins are the coins that I trade most often. So let's move on. You have your BNB pair. For example, you want to be trading against a BNB. BNB means Binance coin. You have your BTC pair. You have your OTS pair. Example of OTS. OTS are big coins and OTS are basically coins that are not Bitcoin. Any coin apart from Bitcoin is altcoin. So you have ETH, you have Tron, Tris, and you have SRP. It means if you want to trade ETH pair, you select ETH, and you have your USD. USD are stable coins. For USD, we have the USDT. USD are stable coins. They are always $1 or 0.999 something dollars. They don't fluctuate too much. For example, if you don't want your coin to go up or increase in value, you just want it to remain constant there, you put it in USD. You sell your coin to USDT, or you sell to BUSD, Binance USD, or you sell to PASS, or you sell to TUSD, or any one of them will give you stable coins, so your money does not increase or reduce over time. So what are we going to do now? So now I want to introduce you to the trading platform. Here you have your buy, and over this side you have your sell. Here you have your currency type. Here you have your currency type. You can choose USD, United States dollars. You can choose the Chinese currency, the Japanese yuan, all of them, any coin, if you don't like it showing in USD. For example, let me choose Euro. You can see the price has changed to Euro over here. So it depends on what you are more comfortable with. I'm more comfortable with USD, United States dollars. I want to be earning my money in dollars. So moving on now. This is your percentage price change. This is the current price of the coin, and this is the price of the coin in sats. Sats is the smallest unit of Bitcoin, like Kobo is to Naira. That's how Satoshi is to Bitcoin. For example, if you say 1 Satoshi, it means 0.0000001. That is, in place of these two, you just have 1 and the rest is 0. Here is telling you that it's a 4 hours time frame. Here is your indicators. Your 4 hours time frame means that each of the candles will open and close over 4 hours. Each of the candles are 4 hours. You can choose daily time frame. You can choose a weekly time frame. You can choose line charts. Let's leave it at 4. This is your depth. If you don't want it to be showing in time frame, it can just show in depth. This side that is green is a buyer side. This is the buyer side, that's the buy orders. This is the sell orders. You can see the amount of money in the buyer side is bigger than that of the seller side. That's why the green mountain, or what do I call it, is bigger than the red mountain. So this is your volume over here. It means that 551 Bitcoin has been traded over 24 hours. This is the highest price. It has gone over 24 hours. You can see this is the current price in Bitcoin. This is the highest price it has gone over 24 hours, and this is the lowest price it has gone over 24 hours. So moving on, these are your indicators. You have your moving average indicator, you have your exponential moving average, you have your Bollinger Band, you have your MACD, you have your KDJ, you have your RSI, you have your WR. So these are different indicators. I'm going to come back to these indicators in my next video and show you how to use them, how to completely use them, how I use them to trade, what it means and all that. So this one is just going over everything. So how do we now buy and sell coin? So this is the place where you can buy and sell. You can see we are in Strat BTC market. For example, if I tell you to go to Strat BTC market, that's what you are going to do. If I tell you to go to AMB BTC market, this is what you click, that search icon, then you type AMB, then you choose BTC, AMB BTC market. And I told you to buy or sell. So we have 3 types of orders. We have limit order, we have market order, and we have stop limits. So what does your limit order means? It means that you can set it to buy for you at your desired price. For example, you want to buy this coin now and it's trading at 239 Satoshi, and you think that it's still going to come down. So what you do is that you set your limit order. You set your limit order here, and you think it's going to come to 210. You set your limit order to 210. Buy, for example, you are buying 5,000 of the coin. So this is it. It means that buy 5,000 AMB against BTC when the price comes to 210, and this is the value of 5,000 AMB in Bitcoin, that is 0.01, and you click on your buy to process the order. For example, you want to use limit order to sell now. After buying it at 210 and you think the price is going to go to like 280, you put 280 and you put the 5,000 AMB. What will now happen? It means sell 5,000 AMB at the rate of 280 sats of Bitcoin, and this is the price in Bitcoin it will give. You can see you made a profit of 0.004 Bitcoin already. Then you click on sell. So when the price gets to 280, it will automatically sell for you. So let's move to another one. Market order. Market order is very simple. It basically means that the order you are setting should be processed at the market price. What is the market price here? This here is the market price, 239 AMB. So if you should put 5,000 AMB buy using market order, is going to buy it immediately at the available price. And if you are selling using market order, it's going to sell at the available price. So stop limit, for example, you are not online, you don't know where the price is going to go, and you want to secure your money. For example, you bought AMB at 210, and you think your support is at 200. So what are you going to do in this case? You click on this, you put 200, you put 210, and you put 200. This is just an example, it's not a must you do it like this. So what does this mean now? It means sell 5,000 AMB, place an order to sell 5,000 AMB when the price comes to 210. SARS, place an order to sell 5,000 AMB at 200. When the price comes to 210, place an order to sell 5,000 AMB automatically for me at 210. So you are commanding the exchange what to do at that moment. So the buying side now, for example, the price of AMB is 200, and your resistance is 220, and you think if the price breaks 225, is going to go up to another resistance, maybe 280. So what do you do now? 220. So what does this mean now? It means place an order to buy when the price comes to 220 sats. Place an order to buy 5,000 AMB at 225 sats. So that's it. Then you click on your buy. So in this video, I have been able to cover a lot. So this place is where you check your current order. For example, now I have this order, my own order, to sell this coin at 1,320 satoshi. That's the coin. So immediately the price goes to 1,300, the coin will be sold automatically for me. You have your order history and all that. So this is the end of the video. We are going to continue the part 2 from here.